Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we're diving into a super quick and easy tutorial, how to flip an image on your Mac. Whether you need to mirror a photo for a profile picture, correct a scan, or just get a different perspective, I'll show you a couple of simple ways to do it. In this video, we'll cover flipping images using Preview, which comes standard on every Mac, and also a bonus method using Photos. Both methods are straightforward, free, and perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. Short, upbeat intro music with Rome Tech logo. Alright, let's start with the easiest method, using Preview. This is my go-to for quick image edits. Screen recording of Finder opening with an image selected. First, locate the image you want to flip in Finder. Once you've found it, double-click to open it in Preview. Screen recording showing Preview opening with a selected image. Now, at the top of your screen, look for the Tools menu. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Screen recording showing the Tools drop-down menu. In the Tools menu, you have two options for flipping, Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Screen recording highlighting Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical options. Flip Horizontal will mirror the image like looking in a reflection. Flip Vertical will flip it upside down. Screen recording demonstrating Flip Horizontal with the image flipping horizontally. Then, demonstrating Flip Vertical with the image flipping vertically. Choose the one you need. It's that simple. Screen recording shows image after horizontal flip. If you want to undo the flip, just press Command+Z, or go to Edit and click Undo. Now the important part, saving your changes. To save the flipped image, go to File in the menu bar and click Save. If you want to keep the original image and save the flipped version as a new file, choose File, and then Export. This will give you options to rename the file and choose a different format if you want. Screen recording showing File-Save, and then File-Export. And that's it for Preview. Super easy, right? Okay, let's move on to the second method, using the Photos app. Screen recording showing opening the Photos app. Open the Photos app and import the image you want to flip. You can drag and drop the image directly into the app, or go to File, then Import. Screen recording showing dragging and dropping an image into Photos. Once your image is in Photos, double-click it to open it in Edit mode. Screen recording showing double-clicking the image to enter Edit mode. At the top right corner, click on Edit. Screen recording showing clicking the Edit button. Now look for the Adjust tab and then scroll through the Adjust settings until you see the Rotate section. It looks like a square with an arrow curving around it. Screen recording scrolling through the Adjust tab until the Rotate section is visible. Here, you'll find the flip options. Unfortunately, Photos doesn't explicitly say flip horizontal or flip vertical, but you'll see a flip button that mirrors the image horizontally. There's also a dial to rotate the image if needed. Screen recording demonstrating using the flip button and the rotation dial. Click the flip button to mirror the image. Once you're happy with the result, click Done in the top right corner. Screen recording showing clicking the Done button. And just like that, your image is flipped in Photos. The changes are automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about manually saving. So there you have it. 2 quick and easy ways to flip an image on your Mac. Preview is great for simple flips, while Photos offers a few more editing options. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more quick and easy tech tutorials. We're always looking for new topics to cover, so leave suggestions in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. Outro music with Rome Tech logo and social media links.